I can remember when my old granddad told me about the time when he lived in old Northworthy and the Vikings came. Now, my grandfather in this case was from my mother's side, and he was an Anglo-Saxon, and his family have lived in Northworthy for generations and generations. And then, one day, the church bells rang out, and they rang and they rang, and they knew that trouble was in the distance, and a Viking army was coming. And they came to Derby, and a Viking army was indeed raiding the land and grabbing the land, and any town and village they could, and making it and taking it as part of the Danelaw. Oh, and so he had to decide what to do. Did he move away down south to Wessex and the land of the Saxons, or did he move to somewhere else, or did he stay? But in the end he decided to stay, and he became a Viking himself and worshipped the old gods, Thor or Thunar to the Anglo-Saxons in the old days. And they changed Northworthy to Derby, for it was in a wooded valley, and deer were everywhere. And they called it Derby, Deer Town, and it prospered, and we had good markets and good traders, and everybody did well. And we had peace for some time, but there's never peace, really, between the Vikings and the Anglo-Saxons of Wessex.